This video takes you inside our customer's factory in the United States, where Zhongtuo's after-sales engineers are assisting with the installation and commissioning of a metal floor decking production line. To address common application challenges, the production line features an automatic oiling system that prevents galvanization loss and extends the service life of floor decks. In addition, the hydraulic cutting system adopts an embedded blade technology that prevents blade damage and lowers maintenance costs. The line with an automatic stacking system, significantly reducing labor costs. It is also equipped with an advanced remote operation and maintenance system. With intelligent data monitoring, potential issues can be detected in advance, minimizing downtime and production losses. Another highlight is the automatic CAD-to-production function, which allows CAD drawings to be converted and transmitted directly to the machine, simplifying the entire workflow. Zhongtuo continues to deliver innovative solutions, ensuring that every metal floor decking production line we provide offers high efficiency, reliability, and long-term value for our customers worldwide.